Right.
So in here is a jar of preserves, some garlic, salt, pepper, and barbecue sauce.
How much salt, how much garlic, how much pepper would you guess?
3 teaspoons picked garlic, 2 teaspoons pepper roughly, and just a dash of salt.
And here's the peaches.
Oh, nope. I almost did the wrong thing.
We don't want to see the label. I'm just saying we don't want to see the label.
How?
You turn the label away.
Yes,
there you
let's see.
go.
That's right.
There you go. Now, putting in the whiskey. We're gonna get the peaches drunk. That's what's happening.
That's probably enough.
And
Gotta stir it together and taste it.
and the sauce. Now, as you see, how much was used from this bottle. Not much. 1/3 of a cup.
Yeah.
1/4 of a cup. Maybe a little more than 1/3 of a cup.
And that's purely up to your taste.
And yeah, and that's up to your liking.
I'm gonna taste this and see if I've got enough. Yeah, I think so. Here, Deb, you want to taste with whiskey in it?
Trial and error.
The whiskey changed it.
It actually calmed down the sugar.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, you can still, that Mosquito is really strong.
Yeah,
That's what you taste in it.
I'm gonna
It's strong. It's good.
I'm gonna need a little bit more. Sorry, guys, just a little bit.
Tasty.
Is that invisible liquid pouring in there?
I can't see. Your hand's in my way.
We're really going to get these peaches going here. They're going to be dancing in that pot.
Yeah, I couldn't taste the whiskey at all.
Yeah, it's not real strong.
No.
But
And it cooks out. And like
Yeah.
you said, it mellowed out the sugar. These might just be about ready to turn.
not quite.
Not quite. Let me get this one off of the top of this because it's not cooking at all in that location. Can't be sitting on top of another piece of chicken and cook. Alright. There we
That
go.
was better.
That's better? Better flavor?
Yeah.
Okay, watch the eyes, everybody.
Yum.
That was better.
That's
that was
better. That's
yes.
more whiskey.
Yeah. Yeah. It is. My hands are a little
Well,
sticky.
yeah.
but
So the barbecue sauce, depending on the residing flavor you want, would depend on the type of barbecue sauce you make
Does it change?
and the amount of the whiskey you put in, along with your garlic and onion and
Yep.
your
Chicken.
seasonings.
Now, peaches.
Okay, watch. The peaches are going to dance. Oh, look, they're dancing already. They're standing up and doing the jig.
They'll soak up some of that flavor. They'll soak up that flavor. And then after we get the chicken browned, we'll
Boy, they're dancing now. Look at that. Woohoo! Just until it cooks off anyway.
we'll brown the chicken and then add that to the pot, and then brown some garlic and some onion, sweat it down to add to the pot, and all these flavors cook together, and there you have whiskey peach chicken.
So stay tuned.
There goes the chicken. I'm just kind of putting it in there. Make sure it's down in the juices.
1 down. 10 to go. 9 to go.
And like I said, it doesn't even have to be cooked through because it's going in the oven.
So it's cooked most of the way through. But if you were to split it down through the middle, I bet it would be just about cooked all the way through.
Kind of bathe it in the sauce. Where's my lid to my Dutch oven?
It's over here. Last but not least,
And like I said, when I do it with the thighs, I get the thighs kind of crispy.
okay,
There's some onions in the pan and some garlic. My husband always says I don't spice things enough, so leave the spice measurements up to you guys, to your taste. But since this is his favorite,
spice to taste.
I'm gonna sweat it down the onions. Now they're just gonna get poured the whole enchilada into the pot. And now a bit more. Just mix it all in there so it gets all these flavors melded in together. And it goes in the oven. But I'm gonna have to taste this one more time.
The peaches have officially stopped dancing.
They're officially going in the oven now.
So it goes from the pot to the pan.
From the pan to the pot, you mean?
Yeah.
And it goes in the oven and cooks till the peaches are nice and soft and the chicken's completely done. And yes, you're going to have a lot of juice left over. My husband loves it on mashed potatoes, and so I make a little extra. You can certainly make less and make it thicker. You can also add a little bit of cornstarch or flour to it if you wanted. He just likes it this way, so that's how we do it.
Go to what?
I wish you could taste this to know how that changed the flavor.
Well, here on Smell-O-Vision, one day you'll be able to
It
smell
smells.
what we smell.
It smells absolutely delicious.
Okay.
Yeah, that has such a great flavor. A very, very good flavor.
And now it just goes in the oven.
So if you try it, let us know.
Make sure if you're putting it in the oven, you have an oven-safe pan. This is cast iron, so I don't have to worry about it. And it goes into 350-degree oven. Ooh, and there's hot pans in my oven.
Okay.
Whoops.
Yeah,
All right, now we gotta pull them out of here.
and have a place to put them.
The sink's off. Okay, sweet potato fries. That's what I'm talking about, Willis. Okay, this is peach.
Whiskey peach chicken.
Whiskey peach chicken. Here's the ingredients.
Some
Okay.
pepper, salt, and garlic. A little couple tablespoons of oil.
Now this is obviously, for those that don't know, this is
Chicken breast. cut in half.
boneless chicken breast cut in half.
I usually use thighs, but for expedition purposes tonight, we're going to use chicken breast, and it really doesn't matter. So,
You wanna
one side of these. And then
you might want to look at the camera.
well, I kind of can't look at the camera. And then I'm going to season the other side. If I get these in here, and we're going to make them fit, because I'm determined. And then, let them brown. And then in a minute I'm going to cut up an onion and some garlic after those are browned, and pull them out, put them in my Dutch oven.
Put them in. What's a Dutch oven? A Dutch oven is a iron ceramic coated pot.
And then after I get all of it mixed together, it will go in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour. So, my friend over here is going to cut me up
We got the master butcher over here.
Peaches.
Okay.
She's gonna fillet those peaches like nobody's business.
Sort of thin.
Okay.
Gonna fillet those peaches like a fish.
And then,
Slice them thin.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, not terribly thin, but thin.
And then
I'm surprised you found fresh peaches this time of year. That's like unbelievable.
only in America.
Well, at California, I'm shocked. And they're not green. They actually look like they probably pretty ripe.
Mm-mm.
But because they're cooking,
They look that way.
Mm-hmm.
but because they're gonna
We need
be
to wash
cooking in the,
Got a washy.
they'll get soft and juicy anyway.
Well, yeah, they're gonna have to. They don't have any choice but get juicy.
Just seasoning that up.
Very. She's gonna fillet this peach like a fish.
These are not clean free. You can't get them off the seed because they're not ripe.
Look at that. Fell right out of there. Peeling it like a fish. See that?
That's what I was saying. I wish I could have found a few
It's-
more ripe ones.
It's filleting a
Not
peach.
true.
This is peach fillet.
Yeah. They make them like cardboard anymore.
I know.
That's because they pick them green.
And
They put them in a freezer and ripen them real fast.
Very true. They're frozen.
and then, if you bought a
That's the
pear-
weather outside.
Have you bought a pear lately?
Why?
They're just grainy.
Are they
Yeah,
really?
it's hard to get good pears unless you get them fresh from the tree.
Mm-hmm.
You can get them in Oregon that way.
I'm getting rid of the husk.
Oh, they're tart. These are tart.
It's okay.
She's gonna fillet this onion like a fish. Look at that. Fish onion fillet.
I need a bowl.
Fish onion.
Fillet of fish onion.
Pretty and said, "Is Joey there?" Because yeah, and I said, "Can I talk to him?" Because I want to remind him. Then he goes, "Oh, I'll be right there," because I almost forgot. Yeah, but
Trash.
he came. Stone King was out,
Well, that's cool.
but he started it.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Got the barbecue going in? Yeah.
For the amount of chicken we're cooking, I'm going to use 2 things of barbecue sauce. Now you can make your
2
own.
bottles of barbecue. And these bottles are like 18 ounces, would be 36 ounces of barbecue if you're making it yourself.
Now you can make your own barbecue sauce if you want, but
Yeah, Rachel Ray says that's the best way to do it.
For sure.
You don't have all the sodium.
yep.
Well, I like making
Because-
my own barbecue.
And this, though, it only has. Oh wow! It has more than I thought.
How much?
330 milligrams of sodium.
Per
Whoa,
bottle or per
that's
what?
high.
And 2 serving size, 2 tablespoons.
That's huge.
Wow. Yep. So it pays to make your own just for the simple fact if you can't have all the salt.
2 bottles of barbecue sauce. At least a whole jar of peach preserves. I have another one if it needs more flavoring, but
1 jar, and you could put as much as 2.
yeah, depends on how you want it to taste, and I'll have to taste it after it all gets melded together. Flavor in it.
Yeah. We were just talking about adding some honey into it. We have some wild honey from our last recipe she made with the honey garlic butter chicken. That sauce you can use on anything. I took the sauce the day later and I actually put it on my toast. It was really good on my toast. Or the Navajo fry bread. It would be so good on the Navajo fry bread. The garlic butter, honey, chili sauce, because we put some chili in it as well. Well, you can leave out the chili, see? And just stick it on your toast or whatever you're eating. It's really yummy.